We do a lot of containers, we do a lot of growing that way. And so starting your container with different components, like we start with a peat, and ours is a reed canary peat that we have right on the farm. So we have a good amount of that for our containers. Then we'll add perlite to it, just to lighten it up, because it can get quite dense. And again, we'll get the good roots in there and get some pockets for the air and pockets for water. And we also add a little sphagnum moss to it to lighten it again, just because you really want to keep it kind of light. And we will also then, so this is kind of the composition that you get, is like this. And then we then will use Osmocote or Multicoat. There's different brand names now for a time released, slow release, prill. It's a prill, and it has little pores that open up at 70 degrees when plants really need and can use more fertilizer. And so we'll put like a tablespoon at least on a good size, well, like a 10-inch container on the first of the month, every month. And then you don't have to mix your water solubles. You can just top dress it and then really forget about it. And it's just really nice and easy compared to a water soluble.
So it's nice. Since you got the samples here, why don't you bring the peat up and let's show folks. People always ask the question. This is the peat moss, which is partially decomposed sphagnum. Peat is much farther down the bog, and it's been decomposing for a much longer period of time. This is what people in this area will call black dirt. It's really not black dirt. It is peat that came farther down the bog, started here, then after a long period of time it decomposed into peat. So peat moss, peat.